lot of things to do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap. It was a very good nap.
We're stepping it up. This is 2019, guys. We're stepping it up. My pants are Yeezy. My shoes are Yeezy. I have 7 stylists.
Dear Diary, it is day 3754 since I started trying to get a suntan. Unfortunately, I believe all of this fur may be getting in the way. Now all I am is hot. So I must sit here and wait for the sweet release of death, or for someone to open the store so that I may try to escape.
Oh, what does Mama say about the kitty cats?
I don't want to say.
What does Mama say about the kitty cats?
I don't want to say.
What does Mama say about the kitty cats? Kitty cats lick their own poop chute.
I don't like when you sit there and you stare at me and act like you're better than me. You don't rule the roost. I do. This is my apartment. I don't know why you think that you're better than all of us in here. You've done nothing to help out the house. You haven't cleaned, you haven't cooked, you haven't done anything but be a bitch.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch his hand? Bitch, I'll catch you in.
Dear Diary, it has been 40 minutes since I was abducted from my sleeping corner. This tiny human has taken me prisoner and I am being held against my will. I will remain calm and docile for the time, though I fear I will become alive with rage.
Excuse me, miss, excuse me, hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Have you ever seen a kitty that is this photogenic? Look at this, hold on a minute. Holy mackerel! Jesus, you look so fire, bro! Stop. Before you scroll, take a look at my floofsters. They're really fluffy, you will not regret.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch his hand? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets, I'm with that beef.
Did you ever think that maybe there's more to life than being really, really, really ridiculously good looking? Like helping people.
What people?
Oreo. Yeah, you listening? Yeah. Right, so why am I having to get the spiders? We had a deal here. The deal was you get the spiders and I'll give you the dreamies. Have we got an understanding? Yeah? Yeah. So are you going to get the spiders again now? And then you can have the dreamies. Yeah. Cool. Have we got a deal there? Shake on it. Oh, that'll do.
I had a lot of things to do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap. It was a very good nap.
Where's your mama gone? Where's your mama gone? Where's your mama gone? Where's your mama gone?
I can take your man if I want to. I can take your man if I want to.
I can take your man if I want to. Won't feel lucky for you, I don't want to.
Dear Diary, my attempts to get the humans distracted by cuteness have completely failed. I really would like to have some of this delicious snack that they've made for themselves. My food dish has been empty for at least 3 hours.
I used to be so beautiful, now look at me.
Let's give the people what they want and a couple seconds of uninterrupted eye contact as a thank you for being so awesome. You really suck at this. One more time. Oh.
Have you ever looked at your cat and have just said, wow, you're the cutest little thing I've ever seen? And then you look at your cat's face and you know they can't speak your language, but if they did, you know they would say, I know.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle.
My mom gave me wet food in a bowl, and when I was done eating it, I tried covering it up like I do my turds in the cat box, but my toenail got stuck in the carpet and I started screaming bloody murder, so my mom came to my rescue, frantically trying to help free me, and I was rolling around like an alligator does when it's killing his prey. My mom had to get scissors to cut the carpet from my toenail to free me, and then I ran and hid under the bed like it was all her fault.
So you know you can't say any bad words?
Yeah.
You know the words I don't like you to say?
Yeah, we can say shut up.
No, that's not a nice word.
Yeah, we can say fucking asshole.
No, don't say that word. That's a very bad word.
Yeah, that's a very bad word.
Is it just me, or has anybody ever had to explain to somebody that no, I wasn't a cutter, I don't cut myself, but the scars on my arms are because I have two furry little assholes that don't know the difference between playtime and a fight to the death?
Yeah? What do you think? It's getting rid of your tinkles. Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Look at this spoiled baby.
He knocked the shit over twice. Twice. So I had to put it on top of the fridge so it wouldn't knock it off. And he just stood there and cried. So my mom just gave him the plant. She just gave it to him.
I don't like when you sit there and you stare at me and act like you're better than me. You don't rule the roost. I do. This is my apartment. I don't know why you think that you're better than all of us in here. You've done nothing to help out the house. You haven't cleaned, you haven't cooked, you haven't done anything but be a bitch.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Who's a cat? Who's a cat? Who's a cat? You a cat. Who's a cat? Who's a cat? Who's a cat? You a cat. Tell me how you get so cute like that.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Dear Diary, I've decided to plead with the authorities to rub my belly. I think it'll do me good in my current condition. I would like to receive 2 rubs exactly. A third one and I will bite the shit out of them as per protocol. Wish me luck.
This is a loaf of floof bread. It is made out of floof and evil.
No, 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 no.
I love my kitty cat, yes I do. I love my kitty cat, oh I do.
Have you ever looked at your cat and have just said, wow, you're the cutest little thing I've ever seen? And then you look at your cat's face and you know they can't speak your language, but if they did, you know they would say, I know.
Good job. Good comedic time.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Wait a minute. Hey, somebody come get her. She dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her. She dancing.
My cat's cuter than your cat. She's cuter than your cat. Just coming round like meow, 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 meow. Oh my god.
I said, do you wanna fight? Do you wanna catch his hand? Bitch, I'll catch you in the street, some with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.